Hi, it's Teacher Kate, and I'm here to talk to you about the letter U. U. Can you think of some things that start with the letter U? U? U. Let me think. Up. That starts with U. And under. Under. That starts with U. And ugly. Blah. That's an ugly face. Blah. Ugly. And union. That's when two people come together. Union. Or two things. Ultimate. Oh, is a silly one. Underwear. Unite. Utopia. Do you know what that means? That means that's a perfect place where everything's perfect. Unitard. That's like a leotard that's just one piece. There's so many U words on this page. Oh my gosh. But I have a much simpler picture of some U words. Are you ready for our favorite thing that starts with U? I think you might know what it is. I think it's unicorn. Oh my gosh. What are some of these other things that start with U? Umbrella. Under. Do you see which picture is under? Which picture is under? Not over there. Under. Under? What's this person doing? That's my funny picture of upside down. It starts with U too. Upside down. And ukulele. That's like a little guitar. Ukulele. Do you know what this is supposed to be? Do you know what this is supposed to be? Think about it. It's a unicycle. Have you ever heard of a unicycle? It's a bicycle with only one wheel. Some people ride it. Maybe we'll see a picture of it. Oh no. What's wrong with this person's face? They are unhappy. And these, what are those? It's a spoon, a fork, and a knife, which is also called utensils. And there's a picture of underwear. Silly underwear. Okay, should we work on drawing the letter U? Got a clipboard. Here we go. U. It's kind of a fun letter to write. I wrote it kind of sideways. U. And the baby U is like this. U. 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 The letter U. Actually, the word U starts with the letter Y. Why? Why does U start with Y and not U? I don't know. So many questions to ask. But I hope that maybe today you can hide under something. And I hope that today you are happy, not unhappy. And I hope today that you unite with your brothers and sisters or friends and parents and do something awesome. And I hope that you draw a picture of a unicorn. You could take our unicorn wands that we made in class and you could draw a picture of that. Or maybe you can use your unicorn wand. Or what other? Let me look at my U words. Underwater. You could pretend to be underwater. That starts with U. You could be upset. Oh, I don't know. Maybe she's not just unhappy, but she's upset. Do you know what upset means? It means sad, unhappy, upset. Oh, there's another one. Uncle. Do you have an uncle? Is he married to your aunt? Uncle, that's another U word. And ultrasonic. Ooh, it's a good one. And ultraviolet. I like those words. And urban. Kathmandu is very urban. An urban is a city place. And universe. Captain of the universe. You could be the captain of the whole universe. That would be fun. Universe starts with U. And ugh. You might just feel like ugh. And upstairs. Do you have an upstairs in your house? Or just one floor? You could go upstairs. And the last word I'm going to say is the ultimate word. I can't wait until I see you tomorrow. Until tomorrow.